Part 1: The Dream of Atomic Power Before the Bomb. Long before the nuclear bomb became the most terrifying weapon in human history, it was born as a scientific dream. In the late 19th century, scientists believed atoms were the smallest, indivisible units of matter. This belief was shattered when new discoveries revealed that atoms could be split and that enormous energy was locked inside them. Key discoveries that changed everything. 1896, Henry Becquerel discovers radioactivity by accident. Marie and Pierre Curie isolate radioactive elements like radium. Albert Einstein 1905 publishes the equation E equals mc2. This single equation quietly predicted the nuclear bomb. It showed that mass could be converted into energy, and even a tiny amount of mass could release unimaginable power. At the time, no one imagined this equation would one day destroy entire cities. Part 2: The Scientist Who Unlocked the Atom. Otto Hahn and Nuclear Fission, 1938. In Nazi Germany, chemist Otto Hahn and physicist Lise Meitner discovered nuclear fission, the splitting of a uranium atom. When uranium atoms were split, massive energy was released. Neutrons flew out. Those neutrons could split more atoms. This created a chain reaction. Lise Meitner immediately realized the danger. This discovery could lead to bombs of unimaginable power. Germany was already under Hitler. The world was on the edge of war. Part 3: Fear Creates the Bomb, the Manhattan Project. Einstein's letter that changed history. Jewish scientists fleeing Nazi Germany feared Hitler might build an atomic bomb first. In 1939, Albert Einstein signed a letter written by Leo Szilard to U.S. President Franklin D. Roosevelt, warning Nazi Germany could develop an atomic bomb. Roosevelt responded by launching the Manhattan Project. The Manhattan Project, 1942-1945. Cost $2 billion, huge at the time. Scientists involved, 130,000 plus. Locations: Los Alamos, Oak Ridge, Hanford. Military head: General Leslie Groves. Scientific head: J. Robert Oppenheimer. This was the most secret project in history. Part 4: Oppenheimer, the father of the atomic bomb. J. Robert Oppenheimer was brilliant, poetic, and haunted. He brought together the world's greatest minds. Enrico Fermi, Richard Feynman, Niels Bohr, Edward Teller. They worked day and night, not fully knowing how the bomb would change humanity. The Trinity Test, first nuclear explosion. July 16, 1945, New Mexico desert. At 5:29 a.m., the first atomic bomb exploded. Witnesses said, the sky turned white. Mountains shook. A mushroom cloud rose 40,000 feet. Oppenheimer later quoted the Bhagavad Gita. Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds. The nuclear age had begun. Part 5: Hiroshima and Nagasaki, when the world changed. Hiroshima, August 6, 1945. Bomb named Little Boy. Killed instantly, 70,000,080,000. By end of year, 140,000 plus. People were vaporized instantly, burned into shadows on walls, dying slowly from radiation sickness. Nagasaki, August 9, 1945. Bomb name Fat Man. Death 70,000 plus. Japan surrendered on August 15, 1945. World War II ended, but a darker era began. Part 6: What happened to the scientists after Oppenheimer's tragic end. Oppenheimer opposed further nuclear weapons. He lost his security clearance in 1954. He was labeled a communist sympathizer. He died broken, guilty, and regretful in 1967. Einstein's regret. Einstein later said, "If I had known, I would never have signed that letter." He spent the rest of his life promoting peace. Part 7: The Cold War Nuclear Madness. After WWII, the US and USSR entered the Cold War. The arms race. 1949, Soviet Union tests atomic bomb. 1952, hydrogen bomb 1000x stronger. Bombs aimed at cities worldwide. Mutually assured destruction, MAD. The logic: if we attack, everyone dies. This fear prevented nuclear war, but brought the world close many times. Part 8 Close Calls When Nuclear War Almost HAPPND. Cuban Missile Crisis 1962. USSR placed nuclear missiles in Cuba. USA prepared for war. World stood minutes from annihilation. One Soviet officer, Vasily Arkhipov, refused to launch a nuclear torpedo. He saved humanity. Part 9 How many COUNTRIES have nuclear bombs today? Official nuclear powers NPT. United States. Russia. United Kingdom. France. China. Other nuclear-armed states. India. Pakistan. Israel undeclared. North Korea. Total nuclear warheads approx. Russia. USA ~5 200. Others combined. Enough to destroy civilization many times over. Part 10 Nuclear weapons today. Fear vs. control. Today nuclear bombs are smaller, more accurate, more deadly. Treaties exist but trust is fragile. AI, cyberwarfare, and political instability make nuclear risk higher again. Part 11 The moral question, SHOULD nuclear bombs exist. Supporters say, nuclear weapons prevent world. Critics say, one mistake can end civilization. A single modern hydrogen bomb could kill millions in seconds. Part 12 Conclusion The weapon that changed humanity. The nuclear bomb is not just a weapon. It is a scientific miracle, a moral failure, a permanent shadow over humanity. For the first time, humans hold the power to end their own species. The question remains, will nuclear weapons save us through fear or destroy us through mistake?